Living in High Springs means enjoying warm weather, natural beauty, and a relaxed small-town lifestyle. But if your home's windows are old or failing, they may be quietly working against your comfort, energy efficiency, and even your wallet. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can help you avoid higher utility bills, ongoing repairs, and unnecessary stress. Here are some clear signs your windows may be due for an upgrade. Your energy bills keep climbing. If your heating and cooling costs seem higher than they should be, your windows could be a major culprit. Older windows often allow air leaks that let cool air escape during the summer and warm air leak out during cooler months. In High Springs climate, inefficient windows force your HVAC system to work harder year-round. Replacing them with energy-efficient options can help maintain indoor temperatures and lower monthly energy bills. Drafts or temperature changes near windows. Do certain rooms feel warmer or cooler than the rest of the house? Drafts around window frames are a strong indicator that seals have failed or frames have warped over time. You shouldn't feel outdoor air sneaking in when your windows are closed. New windows provide better insulation and eliminate those uncomfortable hot and cold spots. Condensation between glass panes. Seeing fog or moisture trapped between double or triple pane windows means the seal has broken. Once this happens, the insulating gas inside the window escapes, and the window loses much of its energy-saving ability. This isn't something that can be cleaned or repaired easily. Replacement is usually the best solution. Windows are hard to open or close. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you're struggling with sticking, jamming, or windows that won't stay open, age and frame damage may be to blame. In High Springs, humidity can cause wood frames to swell and deteriorate over time. New windows offer easy operation and improved safety, especially important for emergency exits. Noticeable outside noise. If traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity seem louder than usual inside your home, your windows may not be providing proper sound insulation anymore. Modern replacement windows are designed to reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood, peeling paint, or warped frames are obvious signs your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. These issues not only affect your home's appearance but can also lead to moisture intrusion and structural problems if left unaddressed. Your home looks dated. Old windows can make your entire home look tired, even if everything else is well maintained. Replacing them is one of the easiest ways to refresh your home's exterior and interior. Modern window styles can boost curb appeal and even increase your home's resale value, an important consideration if you ever plan to sell. Frequent repairs aren't worth it anymore. If you're constantly fixing locks, seals, or glass, the costs can add up quickly. At some point, replacement becomes more cost-effective than continued repairs. New windows come with warranties and long-term reliability, giving you peace of mind. Final thoughts. Replacing old windows is an investment in comfort, efficiency, and the overall value of your High Springs home. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to explore your window replacement options. New windows don't just improve how your home looks, they make everyday living more comfortable and enjoyable.